I check my email for important messages. She takes photographs of memorable moments. He walks his dog in the neighborhood. We have a family dinner at home. They enjoy playing card games with friends. The sun warms the Earth's surface. The birds chirp cheerfully in the morning. The baby needs a diaper change. The teacher gives a quiz to the students. My sister plays the guitar in a band. I check the weather forecast before planning outdoor activities. She enjoys painting landscapes with vibrant colors. He listens to classical music while studying. We go for a swim in the pool on hot summer days. They practice their singing harmonies for the concert. The sun casts a golden glow during sunset. The birds build intricate nests in the trees. The baby explores the world with curiosity. The teacher encourages students to ask questions. My sister plays the violin with elegance and precision. I water the garden to keep the plants hydrated. She writes stories to unleash her imagination. He practices yoga to improve flexibility and calm the mind. We have a barbecue party in the backyard. They enjoy playing chess to exercise their strategic thinking. The river flows gently through the meadows. The waves lap against the sandy shore. The plane lands smoothly at the airport. My parents support my dreams and aspirations. The cat sleeps peacefully on the windowsill. I practice my dance routine for the upcoming performance. She takes art classes to enhance her creativity. He fixes a broken chair in the dining room. We go on a camping trip to reconnect with nature. They play tennis at the local court. The moon beams down its soft light. The stars twinkle in the night sky like little diamonds. The computer processes data efficiently. My friend shares her favorite recipes with me. The baby crawls and explores his surroundings. I check my schedule for appointments and meetings. She takes photographs of candid moments at weddings. He walks his dog in the park every afternoon. We have a family game night with board games. They enjoy playing soccer in the backyard. The rain falls gently, creating a soothing sound. The wind rustles the leaves on the trees. The train arrives at the platform, signaling its departure. My brother plays the guitar in a band. The children learn new skills and knowledge at school.